Keeping a home clean can be a challenge, especially with pets, heavy foot traffic, or a mix of floor types. MOVA's latest robot vacuums, the V50 Ultra Complete and the Z60 Ultra Roller Complete, make everyday cleaning effortless with powerful suction, advanced mopping systems, and intelligent automation. Whether you want a reliable, low-maintenance cleaner or the ultimate hands-free full-coverage solution, these models deliver spotless floors with ease. Special thanks to MOVA for sponsoring this video, where we'll walk you through both models, highlighting their similarities and differences to help you choose the one that best fits your needs. Links to both are included in the video description. The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is a versatile robot vacuum and mop built for homes with pets and a mix of floor types. With powerful 24,000 Pascal suction, a duo solution warm water mopping system, and FlexiRise navigation, it handles everything from everyday dust to stubborn messes. Its retractable LiDAR sensor allows it to navigate tight spaces, like under sofas, while still creating precise maps of your home. The V50's dual brush anti-tangle rollers keep hair from wrapping around the brushes, and its 8 Newton mop pressure ensures even tough stains are thoroughly cleaned. The MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete takes cleaning automation to the next level. With 28,000 Pascal suction, an extended roller mop system with HydroForce real-time washing, and a carefree station that manages washing, drying, and emptying, the Z60 is built for homes that demand maximum power and convenience. Its maxi-reach edge-to-edge cleaning ensures almost every inch of floor is covered, while StepMaster 2.0 mobility allows it to climb obstacles up to 8 centimeters. For carpeted areas, Auto Shield Carpet Protection physically shields your rugs from moisture during mopping, giving you peace of mind. Both the V50 and Z60 share MOVA's premium cleaning features, including advanced navigation with obstacle detection, dual anti-tangle rollers, hot water mop washing for hygienic results, high-capacity 6400 mAh batteries, auto-lifting brushes, voice assistant compatibility, and dual solution tanks for everyday cleaning and heavy-duty pet messes. The V50 Ultra Complete shines in homes that need a reliable, low-maintenance cleaner. Its 24,000 Pascal suction and 8 Newton mopping pressure handle dirt, pet hair, and stains with ease. It can cross thresholds up to 6 centimeters, automatically detach its mops when encountering carpet, and features a self-cleaning HEPA filter that keeps your air cleaner. The Jet Spray dry board system ensures even water distribution with minimal stains, while the Duo Solution warm water mopping lets you switch between a general cleaner and a pet-friendly solution. It's perfect for those who want strong cleaning power, thoughtful design for pet hair and messes, and easy maintenance without extra work. The Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is ideal for larger homes or spaces with heavy traffic and carpets. Its 28,000 Pascal suction, dual anti-tangle rollers, and 17 Newton mopping pressure make it the most powerful option in the MOVA lineup. The HydroForce real-time roller washing system keeps the mop fresh and streak-free, while the carefree base station handles hot water washing, drying, auto-emptying, and solution refills automatically. Its maxi-reach mop and StepMaster 2.0 mobility provide nearly complete floor coverage and easy transitions over obstacles, while the Auto Shield Carpet Protection keeps your carpets dry and safe. If you want full automation, maximum cleaning power, and worry-free carpet protection, the Z60 delivers. In short, both the MOVA V50 and Z60 bring next-level automation and cleaning performance to everyday cleaning. Choose the V50 Ultra Complete if you want a strong, versatile cleaner with advanced mopping and self-maintenance features at a more accessible price. Opt for the Z60 Ultra Roller Complete if you want the ultimate in suction, automation, and coverage, with top-tier protection for carpets and heavy-duty cleaning. Either way, MOVA makes it simple to enjoy a hands-free, spotless home.